This is a 2011 Suzuki Kizashi. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include keyless ignition, a multi-link rear suspension, a sport suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, full power accessories, rear-mounted side airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, an external temperature gauge, a rear spoiler, and this vehicle has fewer than 48,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.